you can see this is the building tools. In your case this might not be in here, so what you can do is you have to download it at first from Google, or you can download it from my drive. So just click the link below in the description box, and you can find that this kind of building tools in zip file there in my drive. Just download it, and how you can activate it, just you have to extract it using this WinRAR. So open it at first, then click at this building tools, then after right clicking on it you can see the options extract to the specified folder. So you have to extract it where your Blender software add-ons are present. For that you have to go your C drive, just double click in here since my computer name is Orup, and now go to program files, then this is the Blender files, click here. I am using Blender 2.92, so it is blinking now. At 2.92 within script you can see these add-on files. In here you have to download. So now just click OK. Since I have this building tools in there, so it is showing me that replace the existing file. In your case it will not be blinked. Just do that, and after that go to Blender, and after going Blender click on edit preferences, then at add-on section here search building. You can see here the building tools, just activate it, and here in here after activating save preferences, then after that you can see in this section that building tools appears.